Hello everybody, Isamu Sushi here, and my Ukrainian padlock just showed up. Now I Google translated all of that, and none of it looked like it had any billing. It was all just like a safety. This is certain packaging, blah blah blah, shipping packaging. So I'm hoping I can get this open on camera. Okay. Yeah, and they did a really good job on packaging it too, for being shipped from Ukraine. Oh, and look at that. Wow, powder coating on it is really nice. So, and there she is. There we go. Stamp 1 and stamp number 2. Looks like it's got your pins to hold your cores in right there. Pretty solid shackle. And then we got key set number 2. So a set of 3. And then there's the half moon disc detainer. There's the bitting. So this one would have to be number 1. One would hope. And there's our number 1. Half moon disc detainer. And I believe it's supposed to have different bitting. And yes, it indeed does have separate bitting. In other words, it's not really dual custody. Alright, so this is 2. And this is number 1. Ta-da! And there she is. There's your locking paw in there. And it looks like that's actually connected directly to the core. And there we go. Now this has got to be the packaging. And yeah, I'll have to Google translate that for sure. 6th something month of 2024. And that was the bag for it. Stapled in like that. And look at that. They even sent me some Ukrainian money. That's awesome. Thank you so much to the seller. Going to get you a very well-deserved review. Because this was being shipped all the way from Ukraine. Showed me how everything was packaged. Sent me pictures. Showed me when it was in the mail. Thank you very much. Very good seller. Excellent lock. That's awesome. Brand new dual custody. Disc detainer. Padlock. Alright, that's all we got today. Just wanted to show everybody. Hope everybody had a very Merry Christmas. And here's to a new year with all our friends. And remember, let's make it a good one. Whatever it is, just make it a good one because it could be our last. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.